Japan, why don't you speak English? Okay, welcome to my new series, 2 Minute Rant! Today's topic, Japan and Japanese people. What they don't tell you when to come to Japan is that they're going to pay taxes all the way out of your burp. Yes, I am telling you, you pay resident tax, city tax, health insurance, pension, NHK TV tax, rice tax, general consumption tax, which everybody pays everywhere in the world. But Japan, why didn't you tell me this before? This pension is kicking my ass, buddy. Why so many taxes? Where tax I go? Everybody speaks English, why don't you bloody well speak English? Man, what the hell is wrong with all your people? It's Japan. They speak Japanese. I don't care, it's not meant to be rational. Next! I know that Japan has world-class customer service, but there's one thing that they do that annoys the hell out of me. Okay, I get it. It's customer service, but damn it, man, if you see me 10 times a day, you don't have to say it 10 times with this increasing intensity and love and all that. It's just bloody annoying! Ah! It has been 16 months since I've been in Japan. In some communities, you see me every bloody week. Why is it you're still staring at me? You little guy, you Oba-chan, you OG-san. Oh, I don't get it, Japan. You guys have issues with personal space, yet still, when you're on the train, you guys can be so close together you can smell what you had for lunch 2 years ago. Yes, that's how close you guys are together. Like a pack of sardines in a can, or tin, or whatever the sardines come in. But you know what I have an issue with? Since you have an issue with me being in your personal space, I have an issue with your guys' personal height. Okay, we're out of time. Thank you. Next time I'll try to do better, include more things. If you want me to rant about something, please put it in the comments down below. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, or just tell me what you really think about me ranting in 2 minutes. Alright, great. Thank you. Bye. Love you.